Hey guys, this is Alex. So may tanong tayo dito from one of the aspirants. Sabi niya, ask ko lang po sana sir kung ano-ano dapat ang study sa darating na PMA exam. Actually, nasagot ko na to in one of my videos. Pero sige, sagutin natin. So the Philippine Military Academy Entrance Exam or yung PMAEE is open to those who wish to join the Cadet Corps Armed Forces of the Philippines provided that you meet all the necessary requirements. So for the PMA entrance exam coverage, like the past examinations, this year's PMAEE will also cover the following subject areas: 1. Algebra and Geometry, 2. Grammar, 3. Composition, 4. Reading and Comprehension, 5. Verbal Reasoning, 6. Numerical Reasoning, and the last, Pattern Analysis. So if you pass the PMAEE, you will be notified by the Office of Cadet Admission through mail, newspaper, or it will be announced through websites or news. So guys, prepare accordingly and good luck sa inyong lahat.